Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have some mixed data that's mean all in one. Here is some illustration, and here is food flares, and here is some ads, and here is some flares mock-up. So I start here. These are AI files. There is just preview, and this is a AI file for Adobe Illustrator user. These are full editable. You can edit everything one by one. You can write anything, or you can change color, apply guidance overlay in Adobe Illustrator. Same here, AI file, and I think APS file, sorry, JPG file, and here is JPG file. Okay, wow, like a Mars. Okay, and next is PSD file for Photoshop. Here is combo burger buffet. Okay, restaurant present. For restaurant, you can apply any other image. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop. Reading Photoshop format. Late here, and flare design. You can import your any photo or logo, contact now, change color, oh sorry, red or black, white, depend your own choice. And here is your photo. Apply open something, sorry, cyberlink girls, and I have no any photo related food, so I apply this. For example, just drag there. These are high definition, but don't worry, I tell you just for example. Right click, create clipping mask, and these photo in convert in this shape. Control S for saving, and your photo is here. You can modify it in every flare, not for just a restaurant. So I close this file, and next is same. Here is food related. These are APS files. You can add your ad, be sale, stay at your home. Sorry, these poster for COVID-19 session, and ready for the style. Okay, these are PSD file, simple, and wow. Import your own photo and press S for saving. Write anything or change shape, color. For example, oh sorry, grandparents overlay is here. Apply anything. Okay, simply mean these files are fully editable. Same here, music. Wow, 285 MB, just one file. Okay, uh-oh, you can write anything, you can change background, everything. And same here, about fruit, you can change or write anything. Here is I think mocha file, you can write. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah.